Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO F8 Pro and let me show you how to check total screen time. So at first enroll the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls, and here you've got kind of basic informations. Tap on the middle of the screen to explore it a bit more, and here you can check all data from each day of usage. You can check screen time, notifications received or times opened. Then you can pick particular app and see your statistics for this app hourly or daily. Again, you can see screen time, notifications received or times opened. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.